So the question is, which end of the mic do I talk into? And should it be upright or upside down? A lot of mics are actually made to position upside down. I've never really done that, but like, that's totally fine. It's kind of up to you, I think. I'm not an engineer. There might be some that insist upon one position or another, but I've never really worried about it. And to my knowledge, it hasn't really affected my sound quality. But whatever way that is convenient for you or looks cool or whatever, I would just do it. And then you usually have top register or side register mics. Top register is where you would talk directly into the top of it. A lot of performers on stage, right, hold the mic like this. That's going to be a top register mic. You talk right into the top of it. A shotgun mic is going to be the same way, top register. But what you want to do is pretend like this is, there you go, right here. You want to point it down so that you're talking sort of, imagine a laser beam shooting out from there towards my chest. You're going to talk across it. You don't want to talk right into it where your air is going to make noise, right? So if you're top register, make sure it's positioned where you're not talking down the barrel. And then if it's a side register, what I do is, like, which is the kind I use, instead of talking directly into it, I kind of talk across it. So I'm still very close to it, but the air coming out of my mouth is not hitting it exactly. It's kind of going across it, if that makes any sense. So yeah, there you go.